Hi friends, today you will learn Microsoft Project Schedule in 10 minutes. These are the things which we will be covering in this 10 minutes. Starting the MS Project from Windows menu, click on the left bottom corner Windows tab. Go into the Microsoft Office options. There you will find the Microsoft Project 2010. Once you start the Microsoft Project, this screen will appear. Now go to the left top corner File tab ribbon and go to the back. Click on the left top corner on the file. Backstage screen will appear. In this backstage screen, there is an option of a new project. Click on new, go to the blank project and click on the create tab. Let us get familiar to the screen. Top is the ribbon bar which has all the options and buttons. Left is the active pane indicator. Half left is the sheet view. Half right is the Gantt chart view where you will see the bar chart. Bottom there is a scheduling mode option, status bar, and bottom right is a quick view button. The first step in creating project in Microsoft Project is to create the own calendar. This you can do by clicking Project tab in ribbon button. Go to the Change Working Time. Window will open for the change working time, which will have the calendar like a view showing gray are non-working areas and white are the working areas in the calendar. Now you have to set the exceptions in Workweek's pop-up window. Select all the days and set them to the specific working timings based on your local authorities guidelines. The morning batch starts at 9, ends at 1, had a lunch, 2 p.m. it starts until 6 it goes on. Click on OK and assign. Now assign your calendar to the project. Go on the project tab on a ribbon, click on the project information tab in the properties group. Mention the start date, today's current date it will take automatically. Go to the calendar drop down list and select the standard calendar which you have edited and click on OK. Third step in project is create the task list for the which you will be creating the project. I have mentioned 21 activities for your reference as a sample project which we will develop. So you can mention the same activities in your task list. In second stage, we will create WBS for. Click on the resource view sheet from the bottom buttons. Use resources names mentioned in the resource column. To create the work breakdown structure from the list, follow the step 1 and step 2 mentioned on the screen. To create WBS, select task from the sheet under the heading in front of steps 1 mentioned. Step 2, click Task tab on a ribbon button, indent tab in a schedule group, and indent all the subtasks to create a work breakdown structure. Now you have created your WBS. Next step is to give the project duration. Give duration to each subtask. Now this is time to interlink your task. Go to the predecessors column, next to the finishes column in the sheet view, assign the links. First mention task ID, then your link, then duration plus or minus. Give the predecessors to each of the tasks to link the project. Now this is time to assign the resources. Go to the resources column next to predecessors column in a sheet view. Select from the predefined resource. Go to the resource column. Once you give all the resource assignment, your screen will appear like this. On right side of the bar, you will see all the resources which are assigned to the task. Friends, now we will move on to allocate the task. So go to the top menu of the sheet view. Right click, then insert the column of the cost. Once you insert the column of a cost, mention the cost for each item for the subtask. First option to check if your schedule is right or not. You will have to find the red underlined dates. Select that particular cell. Go to the Task tab on a ribbon. Click to the Respect Link tab in a schedule group. So repeat it till you find the red line in the dates. Second stage of a correction of your schedule is go to the Inspect. To find any more issues, use Inspect option. So click on Task tab on ribbon and click on Inspect tab on a task group. On left hand side corner, the Task Inspector will show you the issues which are there, and below it will show the options to repair. You can use the repair options and resolve the issues in the task. You have completed schedule. Now it is time to get the project statistics. Click on Project tab on a ribbon. Click on a Project Information tab in a Properties, and a pop-up window will show you the project details like start, finish, cost, duration and work. Generate reports. Click on the Task tab on a ribbon. Click on the drop-down arrow on the Gantt chart tab. There are various reports from which you can generate the report which you want for the business purpose. To take the print on one page, go to the File tab on ribbon button. Click on Print option in a backstage menu. Select the printer. Go to the page setup. Use Fit to 1 and take a print. This is the Gantt chart report which you will get a print, which will show each task start, finish, cost, producer and resources name, and on right hand side it will show you the bar chart. This report is called Team Planner report. This is the network diagram which will give you clear picture. This is resource usage report. This will show you which resource is doing work on which day, and this is the timeline view which will be shown in a one single line. This is the Gantt chart, tracking Gantt chart report. This will show you baseline versus actual. Friends, please practice more and more to become the more